Hey, what's going on, guys? Do you want to rank in Google Maps in the year 2022? In this video, I'm going to show you the things that you should pay attention to in the year 2022. Let's rank in Google Maps. Watch this. All right, so I created this chart so you could see in the year 2022, the most important thing that you could do if you're interested in ranking in Google Maps is to make sure that you have the proper content on your website. When you're writing for your keyword pages, GMB pages, any content that you're putting on your website, you're answering questions that people may have, and they're coming to your website as the source for the answer. Take a look at your website and how are you answering popular questions that people are answering on your website. In regards to GMB categories, if you have a GMB category in your Google Business Profile, make sure that you have a page on your website. When you're creating keyword pages, make sure you have all the questions that people could ask, or the most important questions that people would ask, and answer those questions on your website. You need to have areas we serve pages, meaning that you need all your cities, all the cities that you want to rank in, you need a city page on your website about the areas we serve, and you need to speak about that specific city. 80% is content on your website. On the right-hand side, Google Business Profile, selecting the right category, doing the Google posts, creating the website the correct way, the Google Profile website. There's a way to do it. Getting reviews not only on Google, but on Yelp and Facebook. Getting citations, getting Yelp citations like your Yelp page, your Manta, your Merchant Circle, your YP Yellow, all those directories, getting your website in all those directories. The last part is traffic. You need people to do a search on Google, scroll down to your listing, and tap to call, and then X out of Google. If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'll be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.